What's up, Peak Timers? Phil here from Peak Time Racing. Today we are unboxing and then we're gonna race some 2019 Hot Wheels 9-packs. We've got some exclusive cars in here, some brand new recolors. So let's go ahead and open up each one of these packages and have a closer look inside. So the first car in this 9-pack we have is a brand new Acura Nsx. And check it out, this color, it's almost like a copper type of color on there, or like a burnt orange. A very, very interesting recolor of this car. Check out that diffuser in the back. Some good details on the lights back there as well. Not a lot of detail on the front, but still a very classic, awesome casting. I really, really like this one. And our next one that we have up here, and this one looks like the Ford Fiesta. Let me check on the bottom here. Yeah, it is 2012 Ford Fiesta. So there it is. So that we got the Hot Wheels logo on the side. A very odd color as well for this one, but still, I like this casting. I like the bottom color as well. That looks really cool. It's nice contrast. Check out the kind of chrome type wheels on there as well. Very interesting colorway of this one. And is that an air on the top? Possible color error on the top right there. Not too sure exactly what that is, but we'll put it aside, not a big deal. And this one is an exclusive decoration color. So this is an exclusive color to the 9-packs. And check that out, nice, looks like a Mustang GT. This one might be that 2012 one. I could be wrong. Let me know in the comments down below if you know the exact year of this one, but it's got Goodyear on the side at number 5 GT500. All right, so it's a Shelby GT500. There we go. Not a lot of detail on the front though. Wish we had some tampos on the front and the back as well. So not as detailed, but still a nice looking casting. The chrome wheels do look really good on it. I'll put that one aside. And then we've got a Mustang Fastback. Check this one out. That one is really cool. I really like the black wheels with that colored chrome lip on there. I think that looks really nice. And check out the spoiler as well. That's very interesting. We got a nice metal spoiler, so that's going to be nice and strong. Very, very cool casting. I actually really, really like this one. This one's probably the most impressive one so far. Very cool casting. We'll put that aside. Next up, we've got the green Lamborghini Reventon. We have seen this one already on the Peak Time Racing channel, and I had this one as a single, and I think I might have got it in a multi-pack before as well, but I love this recolor. A fantastic recolor. Looks so good in this new green color with those stripes on there. And actually, my other one did have some Tampo air, and if we look at this one, we also have a little bit of Tampo air right there. Sorry, there we go. We can see that right there. Kind of weird Tampo air. So we got another one in that package right there. So we'll have to look at that one as well and see if there's any more airs on those ones. All right, we'll put that one aside. And then we've got this one right here. This is the Indy Oval, a brand new recolor of the Indy Oval. A nice green color to this one. Very, very cool looking color. Black wheels with those kind of, it looks like possibly red colored lip on them. It's hard to tell in the lighting here, but a really nice casting. They came out with this one with the Golf colorway and a Zamac edition in 2018. Now we got the 2019 release in this new green color. And I was a big fan of this casting. I really liked it. We'll put that one aside. And this is why I bought the package. And actually we got two of them, oddly enough, which is really cool. A slight paint error right here. Possibly it's just a paint chip or something. There we go. It just wipes right off. But it's a brand new yellow Lamborghini. This is the Gallardo? I believe it's the Gallardo. Yes, it is the Gallardo. Holy, for a second I thought it was a Huracan. I was like, no, it's not a Huracan. This is a Gallardo for sure. So there we go. We got the Gallardo, and it's kind of almost got like a trim highlight on it. Very, very interesting, but I'm a big fan of yellow. Yellow is my favorite color, so I really, really like this one, and I like these wheels on it. I think these wheels look good on it. They're kind of like grayish type wheels on there, so great looking casting. Really, really like this. Loving all the new recolors of Lamborghinis. We've got the Target Edition Reventon Roadster in red that's coming out, or it's already released. I haven't got it yet, but I will get that one very soon. So some great recolors from Lamborghini this year. And then we've got this one right here, and this one I believe is the ZL1, if I'm not mistaken. Let me check here. Nope, it's the 2018 Camaro SS. There it goes, 2018 Camaro SS, the Borla edition. Check it out, the big Borla on the side. We saw some Mustangs with the Borla. Now we've got the Camaros with the Borla on there. Gray wheels, kind of a matte black finish with the red double stripe on there. A nice looking casting though. This one looks good with the Tampa work and all that. Not a lot of detail on the front lighting or the rear. Very, very flat on the rear, but still, nonetheless, a great looking casting. All right, and last but not least in this 9-pack, we've got the Ford GT LM. This is the 2005-2006 Ford GT LM variation. Gold chrome wheels with the red and the black striping. I was a huge fan of this casting. I still am. I think it looks fantastic. If you're a Ford GT fan, you gotta love this one. So there we go, the Ford GT LM. And we'll move on to the next packaging as well, our next 9-pack. Yes, our next 9-pack does have a few castings that are the same from the previous one, but we'll take a closer look at the ones that are newer. First, we've got this Porsche 911 GT2, I believe. Let me double check. It is 911 GT2. Yeah, there we go, 911 GT2. We see that on the bottom right there. I really, really like this casting. I've got this same casting in a couple different color variations, so I had to pick this one up to get this casting. And this was partly the reason why I bought this 9-pack, but a really, really cool looking casting. So that's a new one we haven't seen. We got another one of the Ford Fiestas. We saw this one in the previous pack, so we won't get a closer look at that. Same with this Mustang right here. That one's also a double. And the same with this Mustang right here. That one is a double as well. Lots of doubles actually in this pack. We got another one of the Gallardos as a double as well. We'll put that one aside. And of course, the green Reventon as a double. And let's check out if this one is aired at all. Nope, you can see the striping on this one is perfect. So the center striping and the black striping looks pretty good. Actually, it's a slight air right there. You can see the black paint job maybe didn't fully stamp on there. We'll take a look at the other one. So you can see that they didn't complete the line on the other one, the middle line right there. So it's a slight error. My other one that I have as well is I got a major error on this line. So they need to take care of the actual stamping on this. They must have had some issues with the stamping on the Reventon. Even if we look at the rear stamping, it's not perfect right here on this one, and it's a little bit better on this one. So we don't have a perfect Reventon so far. We've got all of them with slight Tampa work stamping, but that's okay. It's a fantastic looking casting. I'm not gonna complain. It still looks good when you look at it right there. So we'll put those ones aside, and then we've got some of the newer cars in this pack, some more of the newer cars. We've got, this one looks like a Camaro. It's kind of a glossy matte finish on this. Very, very interesting, but it's very, very darkened out. And let me check, does it say Camaro? Yeah, Camaro Z28 on this back right there. But yeah, it's a weird, like, it feels almost like a full plastic body, but I think it is actually metal, but very, very odd paint job on there. And that's one that I haven't seen before, but still, very interesting casting. All right, we'll put that one aside. And we'll go on to this one. And this is partly the reason why I bought this case besides the Porsche. So this is a Corvette C7 Zo6 Convertible in red. And we've got the black on there on the front. And I think this one looks so cool. So this one will match the red coupe that we've got of this one. But check it out. We've got the blacked out wheels with the chrome red lip on them. Looks fantastic. And I love the Tampa work on the back. Very, very good and nice and detailed on there. And even on the front as well, a very, very detailed casting. Really, really like that one. And last but certainly not least, we've got another recolor. This is the custom Ford Maverick in a red color with the number 94 on there, gritty look on there. But yeah, this one is really, really cool. Custom Ford Maverick, you can see on the back. And we saw this one originally in white, then we saw it in blue, and now we have got it in this red color. And I think it looks good in the red. Blacked out wheels, chrome lip on there. We'll have to put this one side by side, the other color variations, but a fantastic new color variation of the custom Ford Maverick. All right, guys, we're gonna head to the track, and I've got all of the cars that are new, so none of the doubles and stuff. We'll put all the new ones in here. I know we do have some doubles from the other, from the double 9-pack. So how many do we got that are new cars that we don't have doubles of? Here's all the double cars right there. So we'll put the double cars aside. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. All right, so we'll have to do a, let's do 3 races, and then the top 3 cars will go to the finals, and we'll find out the fastest car. I'll see you guys at the track. All right, guys, we're at the track. We've got our first 4 cars here set, ready to go. Our next race, we'll do the other 4, and then we'll do 5. We have a total of 13 cars, and the winner of each race will face off against each other in the finals. Let's find out who wins race number 1. On your mark, get set, go! And our race 1 winner is the Mustang Fastback. It's moving on to the finals. And we've got our next 4 cars on the starting grid all set, ready to go. This looks like a black and red race. Let's see who takes the win to move on to the finals. On your mark, get set, go! And it's the 2018 Camaro SS that takes the win and moves on to the finals. And our last 5 cars in the qualifying round take the track. Let's see who's going to take the win to join the Mustang and the Camaro. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go! And it's the Acura Nsx that takes the win and moves on to the final to join the Camaro and the Mustang. Let's go to the final race. And here we are at the finals. It's Mustang versus Camaro versus Acura Nsx. Let's see who's gonna take the win in this tournament. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go! And it's the Mustang that takes the win and is our winner of today's tournament of the 9-packs. But can it beat F-150 the champ? Let's find out. Let's do a race to see if it can beat F-150 the champ. Here we go. F-150 the champ versus the Mustang Mach 1 Fastback. Let's see. Can that Mustang take over as the new champion? On your mark, get set, go! Wasn't even close. F-150 the champ takes the win and is still our champion. Make sure you smash that thumbs up for this video, guys, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye. Thanks, big timers, for watching this video. Make sure you follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and don't forget to subscribe and throw this video a like. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.